Good evening. I'm going to show you how to clean AirPods. Right here, I have my AirPods. These happen to be the AirPod Pro edition of the AirPods, but the cleaning method is all the same for all AirPods. I also have the AirPod case, which I'll also be showing you how I clean. So, let's get started. With the AirPods, what you'll need is a damp cloth, not too wet. And you'll take the damp cloth and simply wipe the AirPods, cleaning them of any debris. And then you'll take the other AirPod for the other side, and you'll also wipe it, cleaning it of any debris. After you've wiped the AirPods, you'll then take a dry cloth and dry the AirPods. Make sure that the AirPods are completely dry before inserting them inside the case. Now, to clean the case, simply take a damp cloth and wipe around the case. Just like this. And for inside, take a Q-tip and insert it inside of the hole and simply wipe it, cleaning it of any debris. It's important to make sure that it is completely dry before inserting the AirPods back into its case. Thanks a lot for watching.